Hello aviators and aviation enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into something you don't usually see from your passenger window, but it's absolutely critical to how airlines operate: the modernization of their legacy IT systems. It might sound a bit technical, but trust me, this digital revolution is changing everything. Let us explore how airlines are upgrading their digital backbone to keep our skies running smoothly and on time. For decades, the airline industry has been powered by what are known as legacy IT systems. Picture this: outdated, complex platforms, some built half a century ago, managing everything from your ticket reservation to how pilots and cabin crew are scheduled for flights. These systems were workhorses, incredibly reliable for their era. But in today's fast-paced, data-driven world, they're like trying to run a smartphone app on a vintage computer. They struggle to communicate with each other, they're expensive to maintain, and they just cut to keep up with the sheer volume of data and the flexibility needed in modern aviation. So, what's the solution? The cloud. Airlines are now making a massive shift, moving their core operations from those old siloed systems to flexible, powerful cloud-based platforms. This isn't just about storing data online, it's a complete overhaul. This transition allows them to process enormous amounts of information in real time. Think weather patterns, air traffic control data, maintenance schedules, and passenger loads, all being analyzed simultaneously. This means different departments, from ground operations to in-flight services, can finally work together seamlessly, all looking at the same live picture. When a disruption happens, like a sudden storm or a technical issue, a cloud-based system allows the airline to react in minutes, not hours. Now, you might be wondering, why does this techie stuff matter to me? Well, the benefits are huge, and they directly impact your travel experience. First, it leads to improved operational resilience. When flights get delayed, airlines with modern systems can recover much faster. They can quickly reassign aircraft, reschedule crews, and reroute flights to minimize the domino effect that used to cause airport-wide meltdowns. It also means better management of their most valuable assets, their crews and their multi-million-dollar aircraft. For passengers, this translates into a much better journey. You get real-time, accurate updates on your phone, a smoother check-in process, and most importantly, fewer last-minute cancellations. It's the difference between being stranded at an airport and being proactively rebooked on the next available flight before you even knew there was a problem. A great real-world example of this is Delta Airlines. They've been one of the pioneers in this digital transformation. By strategically moving their most critical operational systems to the cloud, Delta has drastically improved its ability to handle the unexpected. Their systems can now predict potential delays before they even happen, allowing them to make proactive adjustments. They can optimize flight paths to save fuel and time, and they can keep their customers informed every step of the way. This massive investment in their digital infrastructure isn't just an upgrade, it's setting a new standard for reliability and customer service across the entire industry. Looking ahead, the future of airline IT is incredibly exciting. As more airlines embrace this modernization, we're going to see operations that are not just faster, but smarter. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will play a huge role, powering predictive analytics that can foresee maintenance needs, optimize crew schedules for better work-life balance, and create a truly seamless passenger experience from the moment you book a ticket to the moment you pick up your bag. Imagine biometric boarding gates that let you walk onto the plane without ever showing a passport, and AI that customizes your travel alerts. The days of long queues, endless paperwork, and systems that feel like they re from another century are slowly but surely being left behind on the tarmac. So, what does this all mean for us? For the pilots, mechanics, and crew members on the front lines, modern systems mean better support, more efficient tools, and fewer operational headaches, allowing them to focus on what they do best, keeping us safe. And for us as passengers, it promises smoother journeys, more reliable service, and a less stressful travel day. This modernization isn't just about new technology, it's about making the entire aviation ecosystem safer, smarter, and more connected for everyone. Innovation in aviation isn't just about shiny new aircraft, it's also about the invisible, powerful systems that keep them flying. If you enjoyed this breakdown of what's happening behind the scenes, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of aviation. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. In your recent travels, have you noticed airlines getting better or worse at handling delays and disruptions? Thanks for watching, and fly safe.